Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install the Speedometer Calibration tool and explain its working modes on the latest model of the Chevrolet Suburban. Speedometer calibration device calibrates the speed to ensure a precise speed display on your car after installing new rims or tires. The device installs directly onto the vehicle's system control box. It comes with two software modules that connect to the vehicle's control unit, just like you see in the video. One plugs into the gray connector and the other into the green one. Once connected, place the modules in a safe and convenient spot. Now, very important, we highly recommend disconnecting the car battery for a few minutes after installation and then reconnecting it. This will clear any temporary errors from the system. Now let's take it for a test drive. Once the device is installed, it automatically activates. You can deactivate and activate again by pulling the high beam lever 4 times. So, how do the modes work? Mode 1.5% to increase the display speed. Confirmation: hazard lights flash one time, visible only inside the vehicle. Mode 2, 10% to increase the display speed. Confirmation: hazard lights flash 2 times. And Mode 3, off. Confirmation: hazard lights flash 3 times. The device is deactivated. Everything is in its original condition. Drive safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.